Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm sorry for the absence, but we're back and better than ever. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get AK wallpapers for free, and they're actually AK wallpapers. So all you gotta do is open whatever browser you have, whatever is your preferred web browser. In my case, it's Chrome, and you're gonna go to this link right here. I will leave it in the description down below. And as you can see, this is what you will be greeted with. So a page that just shows you wallpaper abyss and whatnot. You can search whatever you want here, and I believe down here are lots of categories, as you can see. Lots of categories here, tons of them, and they're usually like wallpapers that are based off of trends. So, yeah. Oppenheimer movie just came out a few days ago, I think, or a few weeks ago. So you can just search whatever you want here. So if I can go nature, it's gonna give me nature wallpapers. And what you should do now is you gotta go to this little drop down menu for all resolutions, and it's gonna give you the resolution you want. So let's say, for example, I want an 8K resolution. I'm just gonna choose the following resolution: 7680 by 4320. Then refresh the page, and it's going to give you actual 8K wallpapers. So these are pretty high res wallpapers. Probably a little too 8K, but they're way too good. So if you want to pick one, you just click on it. Simple as that. As you can see, I picked this one, and this is an actual 8K wallpaper. So all I gotta do is either you can click on it, just click save image as, or something like that, or you can manually download it from here. And then it's gonna you can just always set it up as the wallpaper or as the desktop background. So there it is. It has been downloaded. Now all I gotta do is just open it from here. Just look for the directory, and I'm just gonna open it here. It might take some time depending on your GPU. I'm pretty sure it has something to do with your GPU, because it's actually loading a really high-res wallpaper. Obviously, this is probably more than 8K, as you can see. So I don't think it's gonna read as 8K on my side, because my display doesn't support 8K wallpapers or anything 8K at all. So it will be a little bit of a problem for me. So yeah, that's basically all we got for this video, and it's super simple. Of course, the section here, you can sort it out, but whatever you want, super simple stuff. There's really no need to explain this kind of stuff. It's really easy. So if we could just go back to home here really quickly. Of course, this is let's go back to the website, wall.alphacoders.com. Wallpaper abyss. There we go, and you can also go by these, so recently popular, fresh and new ones. Let's go to the fresh and new ones. So there are some new wallpapers that are currently here. You can always sort them out as always. And then you also got recently popular ones. So these are popular ones. Another one we can go to is abstract. For example, abstracts, wallpapers, tons of things like that. You even got the popular searches section here, which I forgot to tell you guys about it. And yeah, this very simple website, very great website for not just 8K wallpapers, but 4K, 1080p, 1440p, all resolutions, all types of wallpapers and themes, and whatnot, stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is very short and a little bit not organized, but it's just another way to come back. Like I said in the start, it's been a while. So that's all I got to say, and thank you for watching.